Morning, my respectable teachers and my friends. My name is Shoshana and I am from class 6th A. Today I am telling to you about my father. My father name is Rishi Sharma. Dad, you had given me best things for me. Your care, your time and your love is best for me. I am truly grateful for you in my life. Happy Father's Day.
Good evening, ma'am and sir. My name is Shreya Ganesh Mande. I am in class 6th A. Today I am going to tell a short poem on Father's Day. I sure hope this Father's Day is your very best by far. Extra nice and extra fun, the way you always are. Times are fun when you are around. No nicer dad could ever be found. You are the greatest kind of dad any kid has ever had. Thank you.
My name is Yutesh Deepak Patil from 6B. I want to say Happy Father's Day to my father. Here is a poem. Daddy, Daddy, we have made paints of your little feet, so you can remember when we were so small and sweet. We will go, sir. The year go past, but love for you will always last.
Good evening. Today Kunal Patil is here to share few lines on father. A dad is a hero his son hopes to be. Sons learn what their fathers teach them. To be kind, thoughtful, loving and mindful. The joy in the little boy's eyes shines in the father's heart. A son is the clearest reflection of his father in the world. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear friends. My name is Anshika Singh Badaria of class 8B. I am present a message for my lovely daddy. Let's start. I am so lucky to have you in my life. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Today's your day, Daddy. Enjoy it and know how love you are. Daddy, you are my hero. Thanks for all the things that you have done. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. You are more than father. You are my hero. You are my friend. I am so how we don't even how to say out loud that I am your favorite. The most important lesson I have learned when you else fail, call daddy. Thank you. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I love you so much. Good afternoon. My name is Sanchika Singh Badaria of class 8th B. तो मैंने आज फादर्स डे के ऊपर मैंने अपने फादर के लिए एक कार्ड बनाया है और कंपटीशन के लिए भी, तो आप देख सकते हैं हैप्पी फादर्स डे डैडी। इधर कुछ लेटर्स हैं। आई लव यू डैडी, यू आर माई हीरो।
My name is Aishi Chan from class 8th A, going to recite a poem on Father's Day. My poem name is My Dad is the Greatest One. My dad is the greatest one, the best dad there ever was. He always bring me a lot of joy. He's on my Santa Claus. My dad can do anything. He's smart as smart can be. To show he's all belong to me. We love you, Daddy. Thank you.
My name is Aditi Shah of class 9th A. Today I want to convey a message for all the fathers on the special occasion Father's Day. Here I go. All the things I try to do, I want to do the things just like you. I'm watching your every move you make and trying to take each step you take. Like you, I will be brave and smart because I love you, Dad, with all my hearts. When I'm older, I will be so glad if I grow up to be just like you. Thank you, Dad, for supporting me and encouraging me. Thanks a lot. Happy Father's Day.
Suzanne from class 12 science from KVOGC Ankleshwar. People don't believe in heroes, but they haven't met my father. I am here to express my feelings for my dad. Thank you for being there every day with just the love and guidance I have needed. Everything you taught me is stuck with me, and I'm lucky to have you in my life. My all dreams haven't accomplished if you were not beside me. You have given me the best things in my life: your time, your care, and your love. I am truly grateful to have you in my life. Thank you for everything. I love you so much.
A good father is one of the most unsung, unpraised, unnoticed, and yet one of the most valuable assets in our society. Hello, I am Arpita of class 8B, and today I am going to dedicate a small poem to all the fathers in our lives. Here it goes. Our father, our superhero. Our father, our superhero. He loves, he cares whenever we need help. He is always there. He always pampers and teaches the things with temper. He is the one who always runs to make us win. He takes care of us like a guard, fulfill all the wishes, and he never disregards. Our father, our superhero. He never shows his emotions. His love is like an ocean. Today, I wanna tell you that he is the most favorite in my life. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers in our life. Thank you.
मेरा नाम आर्यन चौधरी है। मैं कक्षा 8वीं व में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं यहाँ पे अपने पिता के ऊपर एक कविता लेके प्रस्तुत हुआ हूँ, जिसका नाम है मेरी साहस मेरी इज्जत मेरा सम्मान है पिता। मेरी साहस मेरी इज्जत मेरा सम्मान है पिता। मेरी ताकत मेरी पूजा मेरी पहचान है पिता। मेरी इज्जत मेरा रुतबा मेरी मान है पिता। मुझको हिम्मत देने वाला मेरी अभिमान है पिता। सारे घर की दिल की धड़कन सारे घर की जान पिता। इस दुनिया में सबसे अच्छे सबसे प्यारे दुनिया की शान पिता। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, my name is Ishika Upadhyay and I am in class 9th A and my roll number is 39. So today I am going to tell a poem on my father. You never said I'm living, you never said goodbye. You were gone before I knew it and only God knew why. A million times I need you, a million times I cried. If love alone could have saved you, you never would have died. In life, I loved you dearly. In death, I love you still. In my heart, you hold a place that no one could ever fill. It broke my heart to lose you, but you didn't go alone. For a part of me went with you the day God took you home. Thank you, my father, for giving me so much love and care. Thank you, everybody.
Good morning, I'm Nisha of class 12th Commerce. Today I'm going to recite a poem by Miss Mom, that is Hold My Hand Daddy. So here it is. Hold my hand Daddy and show me the way so that I can go out in the big world one day. Teach me the basics and then let me learn. Should I ever get stuck, I will know just where to turn. Cheer me up Daddy when I am feeling blue. I can always rely on a kind word from you. Dry my tears Daddy when I am feeling sad. Let me know it's okay and I wouldn't feel so bad. Show me the sunshine and then set on free to be a brilliant person that you raised me to be. Thank you.
My daddy is the greatest, the best that there ever was. He always brings me lots of joy. He is my very own Santa Claus. My daddy can do anything. I love to walk and hold his hand to show he belongs to me. I love my dad.
Good morning. Today, I, Shivani of class 12th, I am going to dedicate this video to my father. Dear Dad, I want to tell you that I am going to love you with all my soul and my heart because you are my first friend and my first teacher. We all know that our mothers show their emotions and devotions towards us by showing their emotions and feelings. But in case of father, it is different. Fathers try to stay strong, to encourage their children to reach their goals. Picks you up, he brushes you up and lets you try again. Dad, your arms are my shelter and assuring me that it will be better. Your hand is my comfort, lifting me up when I fall down. Voice makes me strong, teaching me what's right and what's wrong. Thank you, Dad, for everything you did for me and my upbringness.
Hello, I am Vishaka Lakshmi of class 9th A. Today I am going to recite my poem and the topic of my poem is Sit With Me Daddy. Here it goes. Sit with me daddy, I'll tell you my tales. Praise my achievements, comfort my fails. I'll snuggle in close, whilst I fit on your knee. And you can't imagine who I'll grow up to be. I'll remember our games and all you advise, as daddies are friendly and wonderful and wise. I might just be tiny, but I look up in way. Your smile and warm words, all that I am searching for. Then when I am grow up, you will still sit side by side, both eyeing each other with immeasurable pride. This poem is written by M.S. Moyam. I hope you have liked my poem. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Yukti Suvarna from class 10th A. Today I will tell you about my father. My father is the person who strongly holds together the bond between my family members. He is not only our guardian, but a savior, protector, and a teacher. He is the person we all can depend upon without any doubt. He fulfills all our wishes, demands, dreams, and hopes. My father is my best friend with whom I can share all my happiness and dreams. He is the person who motivates us and helps us to score good marks in exams. My father loves me selfless without expecting anything in return. My father is my hero with superpowers who feel confidence in us to face the outside world. His positive attitudes towards problems always makes him as our role model. I wish to become a successful person like my father in life and career. Thank you so much.
Myself Anjali Shah of class 10th B. Today I want to convey my message to all the fathers out there on this special occasion of Father's Day. Every girl needs a father for many things, like raising her high off the ground and being that deep music that tells her all is right. When she wakes frightened of the nightmares, she needs her father like the nature to soothe her soul. God has blessed us with a very beautiful gift, a man called his dad. Love them, respect them. Happy Father's Day. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम, माय नेम इज शेख बुशरा परवीन। आज मैंने फादर डे के रिलेटेड ये बनाया है, आप देख सकते हैं। अभी मैं इसे पुल कर रही हूँ, जस्ट पुल एंड
Morning ma'am, this is my card on Father's Day. Thank you.